drum tutorial, a little bit more in depth than the first one. So in the last video, we were just covering the bass and the snare. Okay, so that's the recurring pattern of the intro. I just call it the intro every time it does that through the song. Then you would bear my cross. Get the feel of that with the recording. After you get a little bit used to how just that feels, you might want to try it again with just the kick and snare. Or slow down the tempo is a great way to work up the coordination. But possibly that would be part 3. And you'd be better off with just keeping with the 16th notes on the hi-hat. The breakdown of the beats on that is 1, 2, 3, and a 4. So we have a 4, and that's the part that makes it needing practice when you're first working that out. If you put all that together, you know, again, maybe practice a little bit, just kick and snare with the recording, and then a little bit of hi-hat. The King of Glory, the King above all kings. This is and I wasn't even at the right spot. Now we're to the second verse. The pattern changes on the kick and snare. So now we have. And it's that 2-measure pattern that loops. The hi-hat is still doing the same thing you've been doing pretty much the whole song. And then the only other thing about the verses really is at the beginning of every phrase we have an open hi-hat to add an effect. So if I put that all together. So we got the verses, we got the chorus, the intro. The only thing that's left is the bridge. So the first half of the bridge we're not playing, obviously. In the second half, we have the 16th note triplet off of the tom. The way I'm playing it is left, right, triple it, and then a downbeat. So if we put that together. And then you just have a little fill there at the end of it. I'm going left, right, kick, and then flam. Okay, so we're listening. Get ready. 1, 2, 3, 4, 1. The only main difference that changes is we start adding the kick back on the beats. Now we add the kick. It's nice to have a flam in there. Anytime at the end of the song, it's nice to have the... And that is pretty much the entire song. Who breaks the power of sin and darkness?